An old radio in your network needs to be replaced, is struck by lightning, or an upgrade is needed to a new serial radio. What is the fastest way for you to add a new radio and move on to your next project? This video will outline how to easily add a new radio to your network and the easiest way to export a radio's configuration and importing those configurations into a new or replacement radio. Start by reading the replacement radio into Tool Suite. Right-click the radio and select Export. Save these configuration settings to your desktop or folder you can retrieve them from later. Make sure you label the file something specific so you can search for it if you need to. Now you can remove the radios we have read into Tool Suite and read in your new radio that you want to configure with the same settings as our original endpoint 2. After this new radio is read into Tool Suite and ready to program, right-click the radio and select Delete. Right-click anywhere under Discovered Devices and select Import. Select the file we just saved from the previous radio. In the video example, I labeled mine Endpoint 2 Replacement. Next, we need to program these settings into the radio we have read into Tool Suite. To accomplish this, find the All button on the right-hand side located next to Program, Default, and Quick. Select All to program the radio. Wait for the radio to be programmed. If you receive a prompt stating the radio attached to the serial port and the radio selected have different serial numbers, select Yes. Confirm the CD light of the new endpoint is solid green and the CTS light is solid red. A second method you can use to accomplish configuring your new radio is reading in an existing radio as well as your new radio into Tool Suite. Verify the existing radio communicates with the network by looking at the LED pattern. Select the existing endpoint from your network and write its configuration to the new radio. You should have the diagnostic cable plugged into the new radio you want to configure, and select the radio you wish to configure from in Tool Suite and select All. This should be the radio that is already existing in the network. Read the new radio into your network by clicking Read Radio and update the name of this radio. A third method you can use to accomplish configuring your new radio is exporting a sample radio from the network to program your new radio with. After this is imported into Tool Suite, do not delete the sample and read the radio you wish to program into Tool Suite. We should see 2 of these radios in our network now. Select the sample configuration and program this to the new radio by clicking Quick or All on the right-hand side, and change the name of the radio so it's different from our template.